Hello everyone. The portable door lock came a couple of days ago. Before I start, there's links in the description if you want one of these, and information telling you how much it was and how long it took to arrive, etc, etc. We're just going to get straight on with opening the box. The first thing we pull out is a pouch to store it in. There are some instructions. And then we have the lock itself. Now what I'm going to do is I will show you how to use it, then I'll tell you about a mistake I made the other day. I've already tried this, I've already used it once should I say, and I made quite a big mistake, and I'll explain that after I've shown you how this works. So yeah, we'll get on with that. So to start off with, what we want to do is we want to close our door, and where your seam is here, you want to place the other end of this in. You just want to make sure it fits nice and easily, and if it does, we're good for go. Now we'll open the door and I'll just show you. This is called a strike, and this is attached to the frame that surrounds the door. This, you can see these sit in the frame over the strike, just like this, as you can see. Now this on the door is our latch, and this moves back and forward when you pull the handle down. Now this latch sits in the frame after it'll slide along the strike and then sit in the frame. Right, what we're going to do now is try and get a good angle on this. So we have our portable lock in place. Like so. Now that's in there. This bolt that slides up and down sits in the hole on here, and what we do is we pull it in there and then we push this down so it's nice and snug. Now that's in place now, as you can see, and we'll try and open the door. You can see it's stuck, or locked rather, and there's no way that's coming open. And it's that simple. And to take the lock off, you simply pull up and out, and then holding onto the lock, we open the door and off it comes, just like that. Very simple, very simple. Now I told you about a mistake I made. I'll explain that now. If you look at it, you can probably see it's a little bit bent. I tried this on another door, and because the frame was slightly warped, I tried to force this in, which caused this bit to bend. This bit here, it bent this way outwards. So what happened was, when I came to doing this video the first time, and I put this on here, I put the lock into the frame, because this pit was bent out this way, what happened was, when I shut the door, it got stuck. Just 1 second. When I shut the door, as you can see the wood here, the bent out edge of that lock got itself jammed into the frame here, and this really only happened because whoever put this latch plate on has set it into the door a little too far. otherwise that wouldn't have happened. But anyway, it did happen, and it jammed the door shut, and obviously I panicked a little bit, but with quite a bit of force I managed to pull it open, and it split the door here, as you can see. Now that's only happened because of some poor craftsmanship. This is a rented house, so I didn't, these doors was already on. If I had put those doors on myself, this wouldn't have happened. I will be replacing this door anyway, so I'm not too bothered about it being damaged. I was going to replace it anyway. So yeah, just bear that in mind. Just make sure that you're just make sure that when this comes, it's straight and not bent that way. But yeah, other than that mistake, my own mistake, this is an absolute bargain, and it works extremely well. Now it only works on in swinging doors. It'll only work on this side. It won't work on the other side of this door, for obvious reasons. And it also won't work on a PVC door like this, because the door overlaps the frame. We can't get this in. So yeah, it doesn't work on a door like that. If your door is basically flush with your frame and you have at least a 3mm gap between your door and your frame, this will work more often than not. People buy these for hotel doors, so they can have peace of mind that anyone with the master key won't be able to get in, and they really are worth every penny. I'll be taking this to Edinburgh with me in February. I'll try it out on the door on our hotel there, just for the fun of it. So yeah, I'll leave, just if you're interested, I'll leave a picture on the screen showing you the anatomy of a door, just for educational purposes. Why not? So yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and Happy New Year. Bye.